So yesterday I talked about what is called the movies or a cartoon world which influenced my life, and today I will say few names from whom I am inspired totally. Firstly, I got introduction to what is called Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who is also the founder of this Islam religion, because of my family, because my family wanted to know about him, because they see him as the last prophet. So I learned about him many knowledges, great teachings about peace, about humanity, big criticism at this point, all over thing. After that, time changed. I got education in a school which was in Brahmaputra Valley Academy, and that is school, what is called, I have, what is that, teachers. They taught me about a person. The person name is APJ Kalam. That time he was alive. Uh, when I was in Alamin Islamic Model School in Goraimari, at the age of uh, 9, not 9, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that would be the age. At that time, during Teachers' Day, one book was distributed to all. The book name was India 2020, a Millennium. That book was what is called distributed. If anyone wants to buy that, you can buy it. The price was bit 70 to 80 rupees, I guess, at that time. I don't have money at that time. I don't brought money. Usually I used to bring, but that moment, that day, I didn't brought money. And at that time, who have interest in to buy books? So I didn't buy books. But it got encouragement to know about him. Who is this guy? Missile Man, a guy, learned about him. Is from lower to higher, my intellectual depth, my choosing personality changes from Muhammad to Kalam, from Kalam to, you can say, what is this, Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, from Gandhi to Subhash Chandra Bose, one of my favorite. From Subhash Chandra Bose to Lasit Borphukan, from Lasit Borphukan to Bhupen Hazarika. At that time, he was also alive. No, he was not alive. He died, I think, 3 years ago. He died. After that, what is called, many Indian freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh. But at this point, I knew that he have written a book named Why I Am an Atheist. Yeah, so awesome book. It tells about human development, the evolution of society, his personality evolution, societal problem, everything he discussed in that book. Awesome. After that, I got interest in what is this personality. Uh, Abraham Lincoln, obviously, William Shakespeare, no doubt. Winston Churchill, because he was famous. Rousseau, Theodore Rousseau, the inspiration of Gandhi. Krishna. How could I forget the name? Krishna. About him, I have seen many cartoons. Little Krishna, again, serials of Krishna in Ramayana, Mahabharata. There you can see the avatars of Vishnu, so different avatars. This Hindu literature, Hindu philosophy influenced my life very much. After that, Buddhism, after that, Jainism. But at the childhood period, that time, Islam religion, religious books or Islam related books influenced me. Christianity books, yes, obviously, but not that much, because the books of Christianity was less in our area. So I managed to read them from stores after buying or borrowing from someone or from mobile, etc. So I think when your consciousness is at this level, if you go this level, that means a bit higher level, then your personality, your what is called favoritism, your what is called criticism, your likes and dislikes, your thoughts, your environment, your vibration, your energy, frequency, everything changes. Maybe it goes higher or lower. Maybe it evolves from this to that. I think that is the matter with me, and that happened to me too. I'm not saying that didn't happen with me. It really happens with me. See, from that what is called benchmark, from that uh, shallow hole of literature or whatever you say, knowledge system or whatever intellectual system, wisdom, philosophy, anything, literature. From that, like a guy climbing the stair, this to this to this to this. At this level, I came to Osho, hands with Osho, Gautam Buddha, Mahavir, Krishna, Jesus, what is called Friedrich Nietzsche, Gandhi, again Vivekananda, Acharya Prashant, Sadhguru, what else? Javed Akhtar, he is quite legendary guy of our Indian film industry currently. Many personalities are here. If I want to name all of them, I think more than 2 to 3 hours will go on speaking about them, because no guy was permanent inspiration to me. Every guy, every personality, every great person or a intellectual person or a critical thinker or a anything, writer, poet, spiritual artist, film actors, movies, that taught me, but that don't lived me. I float with them. I've not catch them and started to be in that. Did you got or not? So I just learned from them, from here to there, there to here, and that flowing with the flow, flowing with the consciousness, flowing with the what is called critical changeation, intelligence is very beautiful. That journey is the most beautiful thing I experience. Knowing new thing, new ideas disappears, new ideas comes. Now my interest came in AI, artificial intelligence, whatever you can say, deep mind, deep seek, deep thinking, focus management, human psychology, whatever. But that come at last, at this moment, at the what is called peak of my teenage, that is 19-year age. So awesome journey I lived with these books. I never become this what is called depressed. Oh, another fact is there. I started to studying these books when I am what is called becoming frustrated or not satisfied with life or not satisfied with the environment. At that moment, I used to go to this literature books, whatever. When I'm busy in my life, it means I'm very much perfect in my life. That time I used to forget books. I used to forget this knowledge system, everything. No need. I just need life, because living the life is the best thing I experience. So this much, I think it is a new thing on me. That is the reason that Safikul what? Safikul speaks.